Hi, and welcome to another installment of Math Basics with Mr. Besh. Today's topic is solving multiple step equations. These multiple step equations will both include distributive property and like terms. I will walk you through a few examples step by step. Our first equation. With this, we need to combine together like terms on the same side of the equal sign. So my first step is to take the 8x and then negative 3x and combine that to make 5x. Now, the equation is in a basic standard two-step equation form. So now, I need to do the opposite of minus 10 to both sides. And last but not least, I need to do the opposite of multiplying by 5. Remember, anything you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other side. And 30 divided by 5 will give me my answer, which is 6. With this variation, I need to do the distributive property first. There is a hierarchy when solving multiple step equations. If an equation has a situation where you have to do the distributive property, or even twice or three times, you need to do those first. So now my next step would be to take 2 times x and then 2 times positive 6. Now I need to combine my like terms on the left-hand side. 7x and 2x combine to make 9x, and plus 12 is equal to 39. Now, my two-step equation, the opposite of plus 12 to both sides is minus 12. When I do that, I get 9x is equal to 27. Now I need to divide both sides by 9, and when I do that, 27 divided by 9 makes 3. Our third example. Again, no distributive property, but now I need to combine my like terms. My terms with the y are separated by a plus 5. Notice my terms with y, negative 3y and positive 7y. Together, using the properties of integers, they combine together to make 4y. Plus 5 is equal to 17. Now, with my two-step equation form, I do the opposite of plus 5 to both sides, which is subtract 5. Now I have 4y is equal to 12. The opposite of multiplying by 4 is dividing by 4. And when I'm all said and done, y is equal to 3. This one here. Again, same situation, except now, notice on the right-hand side of the equal sign, I have a negative value, negative 7. So now when I combine together my like terms, 5a and negative 3a combine together to make 2a, I still have plus 3 is equal to negative 7. Now I need to do the opposite of plus 3 to both sides, which is take away 3. Now paying close attention to the right-hand side, a negative 7 and a negative 3 combine together to make negative 10. Now, the opposite of multiplying by 2 is dividing by 2, and a negative 10 divided by 2 gives me negative 5. Last example. Again, a problem with the distributive property, and usually when you do the distributive property, you also have to combine like terms. So now, multiplying the 4 times the z, I get 4z, and 4 times positive 5 gives me positive 20. Now when I combine my like terms together, both of which are numbers, positive 3 and positive 20 combine together to make 23. Notice when I'm writing in the form, the term with the variable comes first. That is the 4z plus 23 equals 31. The opposite of plus 23 to both sides is minus 23. And when I do that, I get 4z is equal to 8. The opposite of multiplying by 4 is dividing by 4. And my z value comes out to be 2. And this will conclude our lesson on solving multiple step equations. I hope you found this both helpful and